Welcome to aminacademy.com and questions how, why and what. In that we'll discuss about this question. Why there are crushed stones along railway track. There are crushed stones below the railway track because of it provide a track bed for the railway tracks. Bear the compression Bear the compression load to the sleepers, rails and rolling stocks. Facilitate proper drainage to the tracks so that water does not stay on the tracks. Hold the tracks in place as the trains pass over it. Maintain trough geometry against vertical, longitudinal and lateral displacements. Offer insulation properties and avoid problems with track power supply. Provide absorption of noise and vibration. Suppress vegetation on the tracks. These are some reasons why there are crushed stones along the railway tracks. Further detail we'll discuss now. Crushed stones, also called ballast, are placed along the railway tracks to provide stability and support for the track by distributing the weight of the train evenly, preventing the tracks from the shifting or sinking, and allowing for proper drainage of water away from the track, essentially acting as a solid foundation for the sleepers and rails to sit on. Key points about crushed stones on railway tracks. Functions, they are called ballast and their primary purpose is to provide stability and support for the railway tracks. Drainage, the crushed stones also help with drainage, preventing water from accumulating around the track. Load distribution, the ballast distributes the weight of the train over a large area, minimizing stress on the track structure. Maintenance. Crushed stones are relatively easy to replace when damaged or worn out, making track maintenance simpler. If the ground below railway tracks becomes soft, it can lead to accidents. The sharp stones also allow heavy rains to pass through and penetrate deep into the ground. It also prevents the immediate top layer from getting soft. The stones also prevent water from damaging railway tracks. Railroad ballast is a crucial component of the rail transportation system. It is crushed stones or gravel material that is used to support and level the tracks in a railroad track bed. The primary purpose of ballast is to provide stability to the track, allowing train to run smoothly and safe. Additionally, it helps to drain water and other materials away from the track. Without proper ballast, tracks can become unstable and unsafe for trains to operate on. The size and composition of ballast can vary depending on the type of train and the conditions of the track bed. For example, heavy freight train requires a stronger and more durable ballast than lighter passenger trains. In areas with heavy rainfall or snowfall, a ballast with good drainage properties is necessary to prevent water from accumulating on the tracks. Similarly, in regions with extreme temperatures, a ballast that can withstand the heat and cold is needed. Traditionally, railroad ballast has been made of crushed stones such as granite or limestone. These materials are hard and durable, making them well suited for use as ballast. However, in recent years, other materials such as recycled concrete and, and slab have been used as well. These materials are often more cost effective than traditional crushed stone and can also be more environmental friendly. The process of laying ballast begins with the removal of the old ballast. This is done using specialized equipment such as ballast regulators and tamper machines. The old ballast is loaded onto truck and transported away for disposal or reuse. However, the old ballast has been removed. The track bed is inspected for any damage or defects that need to be repaired before the new ballast can be laid. Next, the new ballast is spread evenly across the track bed using specialized equipment such as ballast spreaders. The ballast is spread to a depth about 10 inches with the top layer being slightly shallower to allow for proper drainage. Once the ballast has been spread, it is tamped down using a tamper machine. This compacts the ballast and ensures that it is level and stable. The process of tampering the ballast is very important is as it helps to eliminate any voids or air packets that may have been created during the spreading process. These voids can cause the ballast to shift and become unstable, which can lead to track failure and potential accidents. Proper tampering also helps to ensure that the ballast is in close contact with the subgrade, which helps the transfer the load to the train to the ground. After the ballast has been tamped, the track is inspected against to ensure that it is level and stable. Any adjustment that need to be made are done at this stage. Once the track has been deemed safe, trains can begin running on it again. The process of maintaining ballast is an ongoing one as ballast can become worn or degraded level over time. Regular inspections are conducted to check for any issues that may arise, such as washouts or settling. If these issues are identified, they are addressed as soon as possible to ensure the continued safety and stability of the tracks. So, while that ballast may be hard to walk on, why are you walking on the train track simply? It makes the trains run smoother and safer. So far, we discussed about the science under this reason why there are crushed stones along the railway tracks. If you have done, please subscribe our YouTube channel.